Hello, this is Sir Romy again. After going through this lesson, you are expected to solve a system of linear equations in two variables. Letter A, by graphing. Letter B, by substitution. And letter C, by elimination method. But before that, I will share to you again an inspirational message. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Okay? In your previous lesson, you find an ordered pair that satisfies the given equation in two variables. And this ordered pair is called the solution of the equation. Since it is a line, okay, tulad nito. Since it is a line, all the points within the line are said to be the solution of the equation. Lahat ng points na nasa line ay solution of the equation. However, in a system of equations, what do you mean by system of linear equations? System, ibig sabihin, dalawa or higit pa. No? Dalawa or higit pang equations. You are looking for a unique ordered pair that will satisfy both equations. Through graphs, that ordered pair is the coordinate of the point of intersection of the two lines. Okay. Halimbawa, ito yung dalawang ito yung dalawang lines mo. No? The point is the solution of the system of equations. Itong intersection na to, ito yung point. This point is the solution of the system of equations. System of equations may have one solution. Okay? Pwede ring no solution or infinite solution. Pwedeng isa, pwedeng wala, pwedeng marami. First, we have to solve systems of equation graphically. Start tayo sa graph. No? To solve a system of linear equations graphically, follow these steps. Number 1, graph each equation. If the lines intersect at a single point, okay, kung nag-intersect sila sa isang point, okay, then the coordinates of that point form the solution. Now, if the lines are parallel, okay, if the lines are parallel, then there is no solution. And if the lines are identical, halimbawa, itong isa, then the other one is this one, then there is an infinite number of solutions. Marami yan. Pag tuloy-tuloy yan. Okay. So ito walang solution. Ito mayroong isa. Ito ay marami. Then after that, you have to check the solution in both equations. Let us start with two equations. Okay, in graphing, we'll take equation number 1, x plus y equals to 9. Then equation number 2, 3x plus 2y is equals to 22. Now, these equations are in standard form. Now, what is the best way in plotting these equations? We will convert this to slope-intercept form. Okay, so equation 1 will become what? Transpose this to the other side. Then y will remain. Then x, the positive x, will become negative x plus 9. Okay. As I've told you, transposition is not advisable, but this is the shortest way. So, I assume that you know already the APE, addition property of equality, and the multiplication property of equality, which is the proper way of solving this. No? Pero, technique na lang ito para mabilisan. Alam nyo na yon, alam nyo na kung bakit naging negative x ang positive x sa kaliwa. Di ba? Okay. Now, what is our slope? Equation number 1. Negative 1 or negative 1 over 1. This is your slope. Now, what is your y-intercept? y-intercept is 9. Okay. Now, for equation number 2. Equation number 2. 3x plus 2y equals 22. So, transpose to the other side. This will become what? 2y will remain. Then your 3x will become negative 3x plus 22. Now, what will you do with this? Divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. This will become what? Y is equals to negative 3 over 2x plus 11. So your slope, your m sub 2 will become what? Negative 3 over 2. And your y-intercept 2 will become 11. Okay, now we will graph this. Your y-intercept for equation number 1 is 9. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Nandito. Ha? So, kaya ginawa kong by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 para hindi kayo masanay sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pwedeng 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Pwedeng 5, 10, 15, 20, or any number. 100, 200, 300, 400. As long as the spaces are equal. Ha? Pare-pareho. Okay, so y-intercept is 9. Then your slope, your run is 1. Slope is negative. Expect this to be going downward. So 9, 1. Then the rise is 1. So nandito yung second point mo. Okay, now you will plot this. Meron ka ng dalawang points. You will plot this. Okay. Yun ang hindi kagandahan sa graphing kasi hindi siya accurate. Okay. So 9 and another point here. This will be your equation number 1. What is our equation number 1? X plus y is equals to 9. Now, for the second equation, your y-intercept is 11. So, 10, 11, nandito. And your slope is negative 3 halves. Ibig sabihin, pababa ulit, going downward. So, your run is 2, 1, 2. Then, your rise is 3, 1, 2, 3. Andito yung isang point. Now, connect the 2 points. Okay? Andito yung isang point. Andito yung isang point. 11 at saka 2. Okay. Ito yung isang point. Hindi siya ganong accurate, no? Ganon talaga ang graphing. Hindi gaanong accurate. So, this will be your equation number 2. Equation number 2 is 3x plus 2y is equals to 22. Okay. So, saan sila nag-intercept? Okay, saan sila nag-intersect? Itong point na to. And what is the coordinate of this point? 4 and 5. Okay, so, tingnan natin. Let us check kung tama. No? Let us check. Checking. Equation number 1. Let us check. X plus y is equals to 9. Your x is 4. X plus y is equals to 9. Equation number 1. Your x is 4. Your y is 5. Is it equal to 9? Okay, 4 plus 5 is 9. Then, yes, this is equal to 9. So, our solution is correct. No? Hindi lang ganun ka accurate pag-plot. Pero more or less, makukuha nyo ang solution of the system of linear equations. Okay. Okay, we may proceed to the substitution method. Actually, substitution method is usually easier if an equation has one variable that has coefficient of 1 or negative 1. No? Okay, halimbawa, equation 1 is 7x minus 4y is equals to 5. Equation 2 is 8x plus y is equals to negative 11. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Substitution method is best. Okay, kung ang isang term ng equation mo, no, ay may coefficient na 1 or negative 1. Ito tulad nito. Ang isang variable mo ay may 1. Okay, may positive 1. So, this is advisable. Substitution is advisable. Okay, what will you do? Transpose 8x to the other side of the equation. So, your equation 2 will become what? Y na lang ang matira. Then, your 8x will become negative 8x minus 11. Okay, now substitute this. Substitute to the equation number 1. So, 7x minus 4. Ito yung y mo. Negative 8x minus 11 is equals to 5. Okay, so this is your y. Ito yung y, no? Ito. Ito yung pinalit mo. Then, after that, anong gagawin mo? You have to simplify. Anong gagawin mo? Distribute. Distribute. So, what will happen? 7x. Negative times negative will become positive. 4 times 8 is 32. X. Negative times negative will become positive. 4 times 11 is 44. Equals 5. Okay. Next. Anong gagawin? Combine like terms. Okay. Ito. Transpose. So, 7x plus 32x magiging 39x. Ang 5 minus 44. Yung 44, pag nilipat sa kabila, maging negative 44. Okay. Bakit kailangan ilipat? Para makombine mo silang dalawa. So, 39x is equals to 5 minus 44, negative 39. So, divide by both sides by 39. Divide both sides by 39. Okay, so x will become negative 1. Okay. Now, your x is equals to negative 1. Substitute x to any of the equation. Pwedeng sa equation 1, pwedeng sa equation 2 para makuha mo yung value ng y. Okay. So, 7 substitute. Negative 1 minus 4y is equals to 5. 7 times negative 1, negative 7 minus 4y is equals to 5. So, negative 4y transpose negative 7 to the other side. This will become 5 plus 7. Then, divide both sides by negative 4. Divide both sides by negative 4. Okay, so let's proceed to the other side. Y will become what? 12 divided by negative 4 or negative 3. Okay? Okay, let us check kung tama yung ating solution. Solution of the equation. Ano yung x? Negative 1. Ano ang y? Negative 3. Ibig sabihin, nag-intersect ang dalawang line sa negative 1, negative 3 coordinate. Tingnan natin. Let us check kung tama. Kung nag-intersect sila doon sa negative 1, negative 3, let us substitute the coordinates to one of the equation. So, 7x minus 4y is equals to 5. Your x is negative 1. Okay, question mark. Hindi natin alam kung tama. Negative 4, your y is negative 3. So, is this equal to 5? Tingnan natin. 7 times negative 1, negative 7. Negative times negative will become positive. 4 times 3 is 12. Is this equal to 5? Okay, let us check. Negative 7 plus 12. 12 is greater than 7. So, copy the sign of 12. So, this will become positive. 12 minus 7 is 5. Okay, so, this is correct. Positive 5 and 5 are just the same. So our solution is correct. Okay, there is another way of solving the system of linear equation. Solving the solution to the system of linear equations. Okay, so let us try elimination method. Example number 1, equation. Equation number 1, 4x minus 3y is equals to negative 7. 2x plus 3y is equals to 19. Okay, madalas ginagamit ang elimination method pagka ang coefficient ng variable ng isang variable ay hindi 1 or negative 1, no? Kasi mas advisable sa substitution method kapag ka ang coefficient ng isang variable ay 1 or positive 1. In this case, wala. So, let us proceed with elimination method. Ano bang elimination method? Okay. First step is to write both equations in the standard form. Okay. Sulat mo muna sa standard form para madaling mag-align, no? Then, multiply one or both equations by appropriate numbers so that the sum of the coefficients of either x or y is 0. So ito, hindi na natin kailangan mag-multiply. Bakit? Kasi meron na. Meron na tayong isang variable na pwedeng i-cancel. Negative 3y plus 3y, magiging 0 na yan. So wala ka nang kailangan pang i-multiply. Pwede na, no? Pwede na siyang i-simplify. Okay. Ano ang gagawin mo ngayon? Since meron ka ng variable na pwedeng i-cancel out, no? I-plus mo silang dalawa. I-add mo ngayon. 4x plus 2x will become 6x. Negative 3y plus 3y magiging 0. Then, negative 7 plus 19 magiging 12. Bakit 12? Kasi mas malaki ang 19. Copy the sign of the greater number. So, what is the value of your x? Divided by 6. So, 6 divided by 6, x is equals to 2. Now, substitute x equals to 2 to any of the equation. Okay, by the way, this is equation number 2. Okay. Substitute x to equation 1. Supposing we'll use equation 1. Okay, what will you do? 4 times 2 minus 3y is equals to negative 7. 4 times 2 is what? 8. Minus 3y is equals to negative 7. Transpose 8 to the other side. This will become what? Negative 3y, negative 7, negative 8. No? Okay. Now, negative 3y will become negative 15. Negative 7 and negative 8 will become negative 15. Now, divide both sides by negative 3 para mawala itong negative 3. So, y will become 15 divided by 3 is 5. Negative divided by negative is positive. So, your solution set is 2 and 5. Ibig sabihin, sa coordinate na to, yung dalawang equation ay mag-i-intersect. Okay. Let us check. Tignan natin kung tama. Check. Sabi ko sa inyo, pag nag-check tayo, tingnan natin. Kahit isang equation lang. 4x, let us use equation number 1. Minus 3y is equals to negative 7. 4 times, your x is 2. Negative 3, your y is 5. Is equals to negative 7. 4 times 2 is 8. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Is this equal to negative 7? Tingnan natin. Different sign, subtract. 15 minus 8 is 7. Follow the sign of the greater number, negative 7. So, negative 7 is the same as negative 7. So, check. Your solution set is correct. Okay. Tanong. Halimbawa, sir, hindi natin makakancel kaagad. Anong gagawin natin? Halimbawa, mayroon tayong variable na hindi agad-agad makakancel out. Ano ang gagawin natin? Okay, let us check. And we will use another example. Okay, ito yon. Example number 2. Example number 2. Okay, equation number 1. Halagay natin 4x minus 3y is equals to negative 4. Equation number 2. 3x plus 2y is equals to 14. Okay, tanong. Sir, paano natin makancel out yung walang pwedeng maka-cancel out? Ano ang gagawin natin dyan? Okay. So, since ito naman ay naka-arrange na sa standard form, maghahanap tayo ng i-multiply natin sa isang equation para ma-cancel out doon sa equation 2. Pero wala eh. Kung i-multiply natin ng 2, lalong tataas. Walang pwedeng i-multiply doon para ma-cancel out sa equation 2. Ano ang gagawin mo ngayon? Magmo-multiply ka sa equation 1 at magmo-multiply ka rin sa equation 2 such that ang product nila ay magkakaroon ng isang variable na pwedeng ma-cancel out. Okay, medyo magulo ah. Okay, tingnan natin. Ano ba ang pwede nating i-multiply sa equation 1? Okay, equation 1. Magmo-multiply tayo ng 2. Okay, 4x minus 3y is equals to negative 4. Bakit 2? Ang dami-daming mga number. Bakit 2 ang ginamit mo, sir? Ito kasi nakita ko eh. Kasi pwede ako mag-multiply ng 2 doon. Mag-multiply ako ng 3 para maging pareho silang 6. Kaya 2 ang naisip ko. Okay, next. Okay, ano bang outcome nito? 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6y. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Nagbago ba ang value ng equation? Hindi. Equivalent pa rin yung equation niya. Pinataas ko lang ng 2 ang bawat term. Now, equation number 2. Ang sabi sa inyo kanina, magmumultiply tayo ng 3 para magpareho. So, nagmumultiply ako ngayon ng 3. 3x plus 2y is equals to 14. Ito yung equation 2 natin. I-multiply natin ng 3. Anong magiging outcome? 3 times 3 is 9x. 3 times 2 is positive 6y. Yun, pwede na natin i-cancel out mamaya. Then 3 times 14 will become what? 3 times 4 is 12. Then 42. Tama? Okay, tama. Positive, positive. Okay. Now, ano ang gagawin mo sunod? Eto na. Dito ko na mag-simplify. Okay, sabi ko sa inyo, pwede na ma-cancel out. Negative 6y plus 6y magiging 0. So, ano ang natira? 9x plus 8x plus 9x magiging 17x equals negative 8 plus 42. Magiging what? Okay, hindi pareho ang sign. Bawas. 42 minus 8 is 34. Then, copy the sign of the greater number. Mas malaki ang 42, then positive. Now, find the value of your x. Now, divide by 17. Bakit 17? Para ma-cancel out itong 17 divided by 17 will become 1x or x. So, x will become 34 divided by 17 is 2. Now, you have your value of x now. 2. Substitute to any of the equation. Okay, sa equation 1 tayo magsa-substitute ngayon. 4 times 2 minus 3y is equals to negative 4. So, 4 times 2 is 8 minus 3y is equals to negative 4. Negative 3y ang matitira kapag i-transpose mo yung 8 sa kabilang side. Magiging negative 4 pa rin dito. Ang 8 mo na positive maging negative 8. So, negative 3y is equals to negative, negative, pareho, dagdag ang value. Magiging 12, copy the sign of the greater number. Magiging negative 12. So, divide both sides by negative 3. Divide both sides by negative 3. Y will become what? Positive 4. So, your solution set is, okay, solution set. Your solution set is 2 and 4. Ibig sabihin, itong dalawang line na to, kapag ka-graph nyo, dito sila magtatagpo. This will be the intersecting point. This will be the coordinate of your intersecting point. Okay, ito-check natin kung tama. Let's try. Check. Checking. Okay. Take one equation. Equation number 1, dito tayo mag-check. 4x minus 3y is equals to negative 4. What is your x? Your x is 2. Minus 3, what is your y? Your y is 4. Okay, tingnan natin kung magiging negative 4 ang sagot. 4 times 2 is 8. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. Is this equal to negative 4? Tingnan natin. Hindi pareho ang sign, bawas. Copy the sign of the greater number. 12 minus 8 is 4. Negative is also the same as negative 4. So, tama. Alright, so the solution set is... Okay, that's it.